So we've been in Washington for the past like 5 days almost, but right now we're about 30 minutes outside of Portland at G Creek Safety Rest Area. The nice thing about all these rest areas here is you can stay here up to like 8 hours. So we're trying to obey that. We got here last night and it's about 7 a.m. this morning. So we're about to hit the road and then go find somewhere we can make breakfast at. But these are sweet. They're nice areas, safe, clean, good bathrooms. I love it. Hey baby, what day is it in the van?
11.
Day 11 in the van. Sleep all right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So we have a laundry bag we've been slowly filling up and we just keep it under the bed. So today we decided we're going to find a laundromat and it sounds awesome.
Yeah, we're going to the Spin Laundry Lounge and it's really cool because it's like / laundromat / bar / cafe / like free Wi-Fi, and they sell like all natural eco-friendly soap for like $1 for your load, so we don't gotta buy our own soap.
So we're gonna go drink some alcohol and do our laundry, hopefully upload a video today. I'm like 10 days behind on uploading videos, sorry, it's tough. And then yeah, hang out in Portland, try to check out some cool stuff. We've got a laundry bag, park the van, and we're gonna go do our laundry. So we just got our laundry done and I got a video uploaded. We had a mimosa. Now we're off to, wait, donuts?
Voodoo Donut.
Voodoo Donuts, some vegan donuts. Just to show you what we do with the clothes, we have all our outerwear hung up here and we bungee cord it in just to keep it out of the way. Mandy gets up here and she has individual compartments that she puts all of her clothes in. So she's folding those up right now. And then I get the 2 license plate storages and these side ones back here, and those don't look very big but they're actually really deep, so I roll all my clothes up and slide them in. But that's about it. All of our clothes fit and they don't get in the way too much, and they're decently easy enough to just pull out the compartment on what you want and pick your clothing. Then dirty clothes we keep underneath the, we have a dirty clothes bag that we normally store underneath the bed. So we did what we needed to do in Portland, which all it was get Mandy some donuts that she wasn't allergic to. So now we're time to head out of the city because we hate the city. It took us forever to find parking. We have made it to the Oregon coast just in time for the sunset. And it looks like it might be a pretty good looking sunset. We have been getting lucky. So how do you like the Oregon coast?
I love it.
It's pretty cool. Look at that rock out there.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
And we are stuck. There's no way to make it over there, so we have to enjoy the sunset from here. Still a pretty good view. So the sun started going down and it got cold and windy. So we're gonna go find ourselves a nice place to park the van for the night. Maybe go get some vegetables at the grocery store and make a nice warm dinner tonight. So that's the Blue Heron French Cheese Company right down there, and they're really generous and let anyone park in their parking lot if you just sign a little thing. So we went in and supported them by buying a bottle of wine and doing some wine tasting. So now we gotta make the bed and make some dinner and have a great night's rest right on the coast in Oregon. We are really happy that we made it here. So for tonight's dinner, we've got some rice, quinoa, we put some green peppers, some hot peppers, and then we thought we had cheddar chicken, but we didn't, so we put turkey bacon in it. And now we're making good old burritos. Burritos are just so versatile and amazing for any sort of meal. And we're enjoying that wine, and we're gonna play some games and get to bed.